Hey guys, I probably look a little rusty. Let me turn this down. There we go. Alright, hey guys, welcome to the channel. Again, it's another day. So if you guys seen my last video, you probably saw me unbox the stuff I'm using now. I told you guys I was going to use it for my new video. This is my vanity. Very small and messy. And there is going to be a update. It's going to be update vanity complete, I think. So this is the vanity now that it's empty. It does have a drawer and it's full. So now I'm gonna go get the mirror and you guys are gonna go see what I was talking about when I said it's huge. It's not too heavy. I'm gonna go put it landscape. I'm gonna put it this way. If I wanted to, I could put like a nail in the wall. I think I need to scoot it over a little.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so I'm going to be using this contact paper. It's black contact paper with black and white marble. And I got this since the mirror around the headboard, the mirror's black. And I don't really have that many black things in my room, so I thought I could make my vanity pop a little bit by ordering contact paper. I'm going to go get the mirror. Fall on me. I don't like how it's over this. I think that looks very weird. Right here. You put this right here and then push down firmly and then remove this paper right here, and I'm gonna put this under this, kinda. Go tap the button. Oh my god, that's so amazing. That is literally amazing. I'm gonna turn down my ring light. This is the best thing I've ever could have gotten for myself. Off. Okay, so these lights are the only lights that are on in my room right now. So if I was to be making a makeup video, I'm pretty sure my ring light would probably be somewhere in between this, which would help me out a lot. But I think these lights are just good for if I'm getting ready for school. I want to do my makeup. I don't have to go into the restroom anymore. And my phone can actually just sit on the lights. So we love that. If I turn this light on, it's going to take away all that light though and make me appear darker. See? But I really like this, so I'm going to decorate my vanity a little bit. Excuse me. I'm sorry guys, do you ever make that face when you're watching someone's Snapchat story and it's like hella weird? Or is it just me?
They call me Young Dagger Dick, that's my handle, yeah. Yeah, she grab on my dick like a handle, hey. Little bitch, I got on